Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make another Persian dish. This dish is from Lar, which is kebab Lari. It's a kebab, Persian kebab, but it's a special. It's a special because it's from a special place in Iran. It's a south of Iran, is from province of Fars, very close to Bandar Abbas or Fars, Khalij Fars. And it's absolutely delicious and it's unique and so simple to make it, not too many ingredients, and let's go over and start making it. What I have here is a leg of lamb. It's about 750 grams of leg of lamb, but the people, they make it from filet mignon, either beef or lamb or back strap, but I prefer lamb leg of lamb because that's original. And what we need here is about 2 teaspoons of yogurt. This one is a very thick yogurt, so it shouldn't be running. If there is, you have to take the water out of it. It's 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 large onion, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. What we have to do now is cutting the meat in pieces, and we marinate it with the rest of the ingredients. First thing first, so we should cut the meat. All right, this meat is very tender itself, although I put it in the freeze for about refrigerator for about couple days, and it's been a little bit actually aged, which is pretty good. This should be the size of the meat. All right, we try to make it the same size as much as I could. It's about 2 inches. This meat is very tender, but the secret to this kebab is that yogurt, which the acidity in the yogurt makes this kebab so tender. Another thing that you have to know about it is not just a 2-hour or 4-hour. It's 24-hour, 72 up to 84 hours they marinate these things. You believe me, this is the way. And that's why it became a very tender and very delicious kebab. As you see, this meat is very clean. I took almost all the fats and the bone, and that's why it's so nice and clean looking. Now, after this, we have to slice the onion. Let's put this in a container. Okay. We go for the onion. Also, we cut the garlic. You also can use the garlic powder if you wish to. The reason that I'm cutting like this, because when we want to put it on a skewer and barbecue it or put it on a fire, we have to clean everything, all the garlic and onion out of the meat. All right, what I'm doing here is massaging a little bit of the onion to get the juice out of this. Mix with the garlic and going over the meat. All right, right now we are going to add the salt and the pepper. Massage this a little bit. If you don't have a room, I can put it back here and do the same thing here. Don't be scared. Okay, now we're gonna add the yogurt. All right, now we can take this and massage it. All right, some people probably they're gonna say, you know, why don't you use the gloves? Oh, well, they might be right. I actually wanted to do that, but unfortunately I didn't find any gloves today. So I have to buy some next time. All right, also always remember, do the spices to your taste. If you want a little bit saltier, put the salt. If you want to be hot, little bit put the pepper, hot pepper, chili pepper, whatever you like. And also, usually they put a little bit yogurt on this one, but to me, I experienced this much is good enough. So you don't have to overload it with the yogurt. Okay, now let me wash my hand and put the lid, put it in the refrigerator for minimum 24 hours. Then I see you tomorrow. Welcome back, everybody. It's been almost more than 24 hours. It's almost 30 hours that is been marinated and is been in refrigerated. Here you go. So let's skewer them and make it ready. Here we go. It seems it's very, very easy, goes in there. And so make sure you take off the onion out of it. So we don't want that goes in there and burn and makes it, you know, looking not very good. Try to make the same size in each skewer that you put. I try, you know, just pick up the right piece. Here you go. This is a skewer for a very good for chicken, and it's about like a half an inch or it's 1 centimeter. That's a good size. You can use the smaller one, which I do have. Maybe I have to use that also. Okay, I have 3 of this size, and if I need it, I have to use, you know, a little bit the smaller one, which is right here. This is the one. It's a 1/4 of an inch, or maybe half a centimeter. Anyway, this is the size that I'm looking for, and I put it here. And I'm going to show you, you can beat this to make it exact the same thickness. So let me put some more on the skewer and we get into that. All right, as I said, try to put the same size in the same skewer. Like here, you see that this is a smaller one comparing to this one. And if you want to also make it almost the same thickness, there's 2 ways you can do it. Either you just go ahead, you know, just do it with your knife and just go ahead and clean around it like this, both sides, and make it nicer looking and the same size. Okay, this is one way you can do it. And the other way, you just put it here and put a plastic wrap or something on the top and just beat it like this. Do the same thing the other side. It even makes it better to cook. Okay, so as you see, it's almost the same thickness. See how nice it is? And as always, Kebab is not a kebab unless you have grilled tomato. Here you go. Make sure you have one. Let's go grill them. All right, make sure it is hot enough, but it's not that much to burn, because it's gonna burn very fast because of the yogurt. So be careful about that and turn around frequently. I'm brushing some butter with the saffron. Here is our Lari Kebab. It looks wonderful and it tastes delicious. Easy to make it, and you never regret if you make it. And like always, I really thank you so much for looking my videos and supporting me. Please share, okay? And till next time with another Persian dish. Bye. I love you all.